This is the third week that I'm preparing for Ozzy and Lexi's food myself and not depend on what is sold in the market because they are highly processed food. Although I also have a backup just in case I run out of homemade food. So what I have here, the white meat is chicken, and the beef, ground beef. So I also blended the chicken so that it will be more or less the same with the beef. And then these are green beans, pumpkin, and carrots. So for the last 3 weeks or two, they have been eating well, and the result is so good. So the next step is I will put this all together in a slow cooker, leave it for about 6 to 8 hours. And of course, I forgot, I usually add a little bit of rice, maybe 10% of this will be rice. So for Ozzy and Lexi, this will last uh, for about 2 weeks. So I don't have to worry about their food for 2 weeks. What I do is put this in containers and put one or two in the fridge for the next 2 days or three. The rest will be in the freezer. This is it. This is how it looks like after cooking.